I am Dr. Y.K. Roda, Senior Consultant Cardiology, presently working at National Heart Institute, New Delhi. I am here to create an awareness about the heart failure, which is progressively increasing in India. Most of the people, they confuse heart failure with a heart attack, but it is not so. In layman's language, if I define the heart failure, it is inability of the heart to pump the adequate amount of blood to the various parts of the body as per their metabolic need. It can be caused by A. Narrowing or the blockage of the coronary arteries which supply the blood to the heart. B. Direct involvement of the heart muscles in the form of a cardiomyopathy or myocarditis. C. Scarring or damage of the heart valves leading to narrowing or the leakage. D. The presence of various other diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes, various kidney diseases, and sometimes the decrease in elasticity or the compliance of the heart muscle can also give rise to heart failure. Not to forget the alcohol abuse. Excess amount of alcohol can affect the pumping action of the heart and in turn can cause heart failure. But how do we know the person has got a heart failure? It can manifest in the form of breathlessness at rest or a minimal exertion. Patient can have palpitation, that is unpleasant awareness of the heartbeat. He can have early fatigue or exhaustion on minimal exertion. There can be occasional giddiness. There can be swelling over the feet, abdomen, and sometimes over the face. But what is the need of this awareness about the heart failure? As I told you, the number of heart failure is alarmingly increasing in India, almost at the tune of 1 to 1.5 million cases per year, adding to already 4 to 5 million cases which are there. Secondly, it is involving more and more young patients. Thirdly, there is increased mortality, increased death rate up to 20-30% of the hospitalized patients. And fourthly, it can be prevented to some extent by keeping our blood sugar and blood pressure under control and also going for a regular medical checkup, taking the medicines in the right doses at the regular interval as advised by the doctor, and following the other instructions given by the medical fraternity to avoid excess of salt, alcohol, overexertion, and of course stress. These all measures can prevent to some extent our heart failure. Thank you so much.